In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a subscription in Notion. Whether you're streamlining your budget or simply no longer need the features of a paid plan, canceling a subscription can be a straightforward process. Let's walk through this together. First, it's essential to sign into your Notion account either via the web or using the desktop app. Ensure you're logged in with the correct account that has the paid subscription you are looking to cancel. This might sound simple, but having multiple accounts can occasionally lead to signing in with the wrong one. Once you're logged in, you're well on your way to managing your subscription with ease. After you're signed in, take a look at the left sidebar. Here you'll find a variety of options available to you. We're interested in finding the settings, so go ahead and click on it. This area is where all your main preferences and configurations are located, from account settings to integrations. Within settings, you'll see an option for billing. This is your next stop. Clicking on billing takes you to your subscription management area. Understanding your billing details is crucial for managing your finances efficiently, so it's good to know where to find these important details. Once you're in the billing section, look for an option that says Change Plan. You are now in a place where you can adjust your subscription preferences, whether you're looking to switch to another plan or move to a free version. Now, among the choices available, you'll see an option to either downgrade or cancel your paid plan. Selecting this will guide you through the necessary steps to complete the cancellation. It's set up in a user-friendly way to make this experience as smooth as possible. Whether you're looking to go back to the basics with Notion's free tier or just taking a break from the premium features, this option will help you transition seamlessly. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to confirm the cancellation. Often, there's a final confirmation page where you're asked to double-check your decision. This safeguard helps prevent accidental cancellations. Take a moment to review everything and then confirm your decision by following the on-screen prompts. Keep an eye out for any final confirmations that might pop up, just to be entirely sure that the action has successfully gone through. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of canceling your subscription in Notion. Remember, should you ever wish to resume your subscription or choose a different plan, the process is just as straightforward. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.